أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in our last class, we talked about al-alf al-madiyya, al-alf al-maddi. We talked about al-alf al-maddi, and today we are talking about al-yahu al-maddi, al-yahu al-maddi. And this is how to pronounce the alphabets of Quran or Arabic alphabet with al-yahu al-maddi, which means any of these alphabets we see Yahul Maddi after the alphabet. If there is Yahul Maddi after any of these alphabets, which are the Arabic alphabets, we have to prolong the alphabet, we have to elongate it in the count of two, which is similar as the Alf Maddi that we talked about in our last class, but the sound is different. Now today we're talking about Ya al and these are the example of it. As we've talked about al-harakat, uh, previously we talked about al-harakat, which are fatha kesra. So you've already know that al-amza with kesra is E, so this is E. Then this E here, there is Yahul Madi after the E here, which is amza with kesra. So, and we've give you the law that al-maddu, al-yahu al-maddi is similar in pronunciation as al-alf al-maddi, which will be prolonged in the count of two. So you have to prolong it as E, E, E in the count of two, which is similar as the E here. As you can see, it's in E. This is E, and this one will be prolonged as E in the count of two. This is B. This will be prolonged in the count of two. B, B, B. This will be pronounced as T, and this will be T in the count of two. This is C, C, as you can see it here, C, C, and this will be prolonged in the count of two. C, this is G, this will be prolonged in the count of two. G, H, H, and this will prolong in the count of two. H, because of what? Because of the year will not be that is after the ha. This is he, he, and this will prolong he. This is D. This will be prolonged D in the count of two. This is D, and this will be prolonged in the count of two because there is year will not be after the there. This is re in one sound, and this will prolong re in one sound. This will not be prolonged, and this will be prolonged in the count of two. All because of the year that is after the alphabet Ra. This is Z, and this is Z. This is C. This is C. She. She. C. C. D. 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 Z. Z. A. 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 G. G. Fi. Fi. Pi. Pi. Ki. Ki. Li. Li. Mi. Mi. Li. Ni. We. He. I. I. these are the small, the little example of it. As you can see, this ba here, there's alif al after the ba, and it will prolong in the count of two, which we pronounce as ba, ah, ba, ah. Instead of you pronouncing it in one sound, ba, you have to prolong, all because of the alphabet, al-alf al that is after the alphabet here, or because of the alf al that is after the alphabet ba, so you have to prolong the ba in the count of two, which you pronounce as ba. As you can see, this I pronounce it in one sound, which is not prolonged. Ba. So in our last class, so we talked about this alf al. So now the example of ya al be be be. If there is no this aliyah al after this bar will be pronounced as big in one sound without no prolonging it. So, but because of the year that is after the bear, you have to prolong the bear in the count of two as b b b b b b دائما ديم حاق حيق ضاء ضيء ضيء. So this is Yahul Madiyah. This is how to pronounce an alphabet with which there is Aliyahul Madiyah after it. So alphabet that is attached with Yahul Madiyah will prolong in the count of two, and this is the example of the pronunciation. In our next class, we'll be talking about the examples of we talked about we will talk about the examples of ياء المضية إن شاء الله. هذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. If you found this benefit to you, please subscribe to our channel for more views. هذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.